Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two dash cameras that will take your driving experience to the next level. On the left, we have the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, and on the right, we have the Miden S7 Dual Dash Camera. Get ready for some epic showdowns, hilarious commentary, and of course, a lot of jokes. Let's dive right in. When it comes to capturing those unforgettable moments on the road, video quality is key. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 boasts a wide 140-degree lens with 1080p video recording and Garmin Clarity HDR optics. This means you'll get crisp detail whether it's day or night. It's like having a professional cinematographer in your car. Now let's talk about the features that make these dash cameras stand out from the crowd. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes with voice control, allowing you to save videos, start-stop audio recording, and even take still pictures with just a spoken command. It's like having a personal assistant in your car, minus the coffee runs. Now let's explore the additional functions that these dash cameras bring to the table. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 offers a parking guard feature that monitors activity around your parked vehicle. If any incident is detected, it alerts you immediately. Plus, you can access the camera remotely for live view monitoring when you're away from your car. It's like having a security guard for your precious wheels. Overall, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 receives positive reviews for its compact design and non-obtrusiveness. Reviewers appreciate its durability, ease of use, and advanced features. However, there are some concerns about a bright red light causing glare at night and difficulties with wireless Apple CarPlay integration. On the other hand, the Miden S7 Dual Dash Camera is highly praised for its exceptional video quality, ease of installation, and feature-rich performance. Reviewers highlight its seamless loop recording, built-in G sensor, and the included 64GB SD card. Both cameras have their strengths, and it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and budget. And there you have it, folks. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 and the Miden S7 Dual Dash Camera have battled it out, showcasing their unique features and capabilities. Now it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs and budget. Remember, both cameras are winners in their own right, and they'll definitely level up your driving experience. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more comparisons like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.